Hey guys, Denis Kozhar here. In this video I want to show you the render settings. This will be the draft render, so I can see your results for now. Let's open render settings, and here on the scene tab you can set up noise level 5, then change denoising mode to high quality or full denoise if you use previous version of Corona. Then in the MTL override I exclude only the glass. Then we can go to the performance tab. Here secondary solver change to path tracing and enable new light solver. And that's all. Then you in the window with the camera press render, and in the end I get this result. Here we can change contrast from 1 to 3 and filmic shadows from 0 to 1, so it will be more contrasty and more pleasant view. If you have any question, please ask me, and see you in the next video. Bye!